Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Fallon, NV. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Motel 6-Fallon offer free Wi-Fi is included in each room. Gun Raceway is 20 minutes drive from the motel. Cable TV and a work desk are provided in each guest room at the Motel 6-Fallon. At Motel 6-Fallon you will find a 24-hour front desk. Other facilities offered include laundry facilities and vending machines. Reno Tahoe Airport is 53 miles away. Churchill County Fairgrounds is 10 minutes walk. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.